Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you're here to have fun, you're in the right place. If not, well, stick around anyway. If you think you've already tasted the best sandwich of your life, just wait until you visit Monte Cristo. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, with that perfect balance between sweet and savory, this recipe will surprise your taste buds. And the best? You can do it in minutes, without complications. So that's it until the end, because this sandwich has a special trick that makes all the difference. Prepared? So let's go straight to the recipe. Let's start with the ingredients for 4 servings. To make a perfect Monte Cristo, you will need 12 slices of crustless bread, 200 grams or 7 ounces of sliced ham, 400 grams or 14 ounces mozzarella cheese, or another cheese that melts well, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons mustard, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of red fruit jelly, 1 pinch of salt and pepper. Now that we have everything ready, let's get to the preparation. Set aside 3 slices of bread for each sandwich. Start assembling the first layer by spreading a little mustard on one of the slices, a generous layer of cheese, a layer of ham and another slice of cheese before closing with another slice of bread. Now start assembling the second layer by spreading some of the jam on the slice of bread, again a generous layer of cheese, a layer of ham and another slice of cheese before closing with the last slice. This double cheese filling will ensure that it is melty and irresistible. The next step is to beat the eggs with the milk, salt and pepper in a deep plate. Now comes the most important part. Dip the sandwich in the egg and milk mixture, covering well on both sides, but without getting too wet. The idea is to create a golden, crispy layer when grilled. Heat a non-stick frying pan and melt some butter. Once hot, place the sandwich and let it brown over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until a golden, crispy crust forms, with the cheese melting inside. When ready, remove the skillet and place on a plate. Now, for the final touch, sprinkle some icing sugar on top. This may seem unusual, but it is exactly this contrast between sweet and savory that makes Monte Cristo so special. Serve with a spoonful of jam on the side and you're ready. Crispy, creamy, sweet and salty in the right amount. Look at that texture. You can see how the cheese melted perfectly inside. Now it's your turn to try it. Make this recipe and tell me in the comments what you think. If you like this video, leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.